Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to uninstall OneDrive on your Mac. First open up Finder. Then go up to the Go menu and select Applications. This is where all the apps installed on your Mac are located. Scroll down to find the OneDrive app, right-click on it and select Move to Trash. Now, if you get a message saying it can't be deleted, it's highly likely the app is still running in the background. To fix this, look for the cloud icon up on your menu bar. That's the OneDrive icon. Click on the three dots at the bottom of the menu and select Quit OneDrive. Once the app is closed, try deleting it again. It'll prompt you for your Mac password. Just type it in, hit OK, and the OneDrive app will be deleted. Next up, if you have an app called App Cleaner installed, it will automatically track down the installation files and log files created by OneDrive. You can actually check out my tutorial on how to install this app using the link I've left in the description below. Just click Remove, enter your Mac password one more time, and it will clear out all the cache and junk files that OneDrive generated while you were using it. If you don't use App Cleaner, you can still double-check and delete these leftovers manually. If you want to be absolutely sure all your data is completely wiped out, head over to your user's home folder. From there, look for the library folder. If you don't see it, just right-click on an empty space inside the home folder, select Show View Options, and check the box for Show Library folder. Once you're inside the library folder, find the Cloud Storage folder. This is normally where cloud apps like Google Drive or OneDrive store their data on a Mac. If you see a OneDrive folder sitting in there, go ahead and delete it. In some cases, especially if you've changed settings or switched between multiple Microsoft accounts, you might still see some OneDrive shortcuts or icons lingering around in the Finder sidebar. To get rid of them, simply click on those icons. Then in the top right corner of the Finder window, you'll see a small gray button called Delete OneDrive. Click on that, select Delete, and they'll be gone. By doing all this, you've pretty much uninstalled OneDrive from your Mac completely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.